Okay, now we're going to create a basic flyer that has our opt-in on it, has the QR code, has, what the promise is, all that kind of stuff. So to do that, I like to use Canva. We're just going to press create a design. I'm going to do 8.5 by 11 inches. That way it is the same size as a sheet of paper. Create new design. You can absolutely look at templates over here if you want to make it cute. Let's say we're going to a Christmas event, so I'm just going to use this. Okay. I'm going to get rid of the Christmas tree. I'm going to move this stuff north. So click, 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 drag it up. Merry Christmas. Get 10% off today's purchase by scanning the QR code below and providing your name and email. Right? So we're telling them what to do and what they're going to get. I'm going to put this back at the bottom. This would be like whatever your business name is. Okay, and then we're going to just put that QR code that we made. So uploads, upload file. Here's a QR code. We're going to click on it. It's going to go on the screen. I'm just going to drag it down here, and then I'll make it, pretty big so it's easy to scan. Now, notice how it's kind of overlapping with some stuff. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on it, and we're going to say, let's just remove the background. All right. And then one thing that I like to do before I go any further is I like to open up the camera on my phone and just point at it and see if it recognizes the QR code and if it sends me to the form. All right. Now that we have it made, we can press share, download. I like to change mine to a PDF, flatten, download. And it made us this nice little form that we can now print and put in an 8.5 by 11 picture frame right on our craft booth table.